Hi everyone, welcome to Maribyrnong Home Coders. We're going to have a great time today. I'm going to run through some really great projects with you and hopefully you're going to have a bit of a go at coding. If you guys haven't done it before, that's absolutely fine. This is for beginners. So we're going to have a really good time together, I hope. So coding is just so much fun. I don't know if any of you have done any of it before, but as well as being fun, it's a really great creative way to help learn how to solve problems. Did you know that? It actually gets our brains thinking about how computers think, and it's heaps of fun at the same time. It also helps us to persevere with problem solving as well. So sometimes with coding, and the kind of coding that we're going to do today, which is heaps of fun, and to look for different ways of solving problems. So it's a great skill to have, and it's a great time to start when you're young, just to have a bit of a play with block coding, which is what we're going to do today on Scratch Junior. Now, Scratch Junior is a free app that you can download from the App Store onto your iPad or iPhone, or you can download it from the Play Store onto your Android device as well. So if you want to go there and have a look for those apps first of all, and then you can come and have a bit of a play with me. Does that sound good? So apart from needing the app for this session, another great resource is a book that we have at the library. Funnily enough, we do have it. It's called the Official Scratch Junior book, and it's got loads and loads of projects in it. And you can borrow it from the library. I'm popping it up on the screen now. So if you're local and you want to borrow it, you can ring up and place a reservation. We'll get it out to you. How does that sound? The other thing that's really useful are some Scratch Junior coding cards. Again, they're free as well. I'm going to put a link in the description, and there's heaps of fun projects on there as well. All right, so let's get into our projects. Our first project today is called A Spooky Forest. Let's make it together, shall we? All right. Okay, so the first thing, you see this screen here, this Scratch Junior screen, you press the home button. I've got a few projects up there already, but what we're going to do is go through, here's the Spooky Forest project that I've made already, and I've made it big, and here's what it does. Oh, look at the frog bouncing around and the bat flying it's upside down. What does the snake do? It goes big and small. All right, let's have a learn of how we're going to do this, shall we? First of all, we're going to start a new project. There we go. And we need to go and look for a background. Let's go down and find that background there. There we go, that's good. Now we're going to get rid of our Scratch Cat. Bye Scratch Cat, we don't need you for this project. Let's put in some characters. The first one we're going to do is the frog. There he is. There you go, Mr. Frog, and we'll put you over there. Fantastic. Then we're going to find, what else are we going to have? We're going to have that purple snake, aren't we? There it is, the snake. And let's put him over there. All right, Mr. Snake. What else are we going to have? Where's that bat? Let's put that bat in now. In you go, bat. All right, we'll just move you a little bit there. Right, now here are our three characters. Now we're going to have to put in the title. Here we go. It is a spooky forest. Now I pressed that ABC button up there where you can see it. We're going to change that to white. And there it goes. And let's move it down the bottom, just with your finger. Just pull it down the bottom there. There we go, a spooky forest. And we'll move these guys up here a bit. There we go. All right, now here comes the coding. You ready to go? Let's start with the frog. We press on the frog. Now we're going to use these buttons down here. The first one we're going to start with is, it says a little hand on a man. It means that when we press the frog, it's going to do something. We're going to put in some motion blocks. We're going to go around and around, so the frog's going to jump up and down a couple of times, and then we're going to use this red stop block to stop them. Okay, on to the snake. What are we going to do with the snake? Again, let's use that start on tap button. And, we're going to use a loop for this one. This is known as a loop. We're going to put that in there, put our emotions in there. We're going to grow big, and then we're going to go small, and we're going to do that 4 times. And in goes the stop button as well. And here is our bat. We're going to start again on tap. Here we go. What are we going to do with this guy? A few more motion blocks in the blue. There we go. We're going to go round. And then we're going to go round again. Actually, I think that's the wrong one. No, that's okay. We'll make that. Let's go around a few times. 18 times. Let's try that and see how that goes. And then we're going to go back again. Nope, that's the wrong one. Okay, so we're going to use this one here. Fantastic. All right, let's give that a go, and we'll put our stop block in there as well. Okay. All right, let's give that a go and see if that works. You ready? We'll make it big. Let's have a look. Now I'm going to tap on the frog. There he goes. He's bouncing up and down. Oh, and our bat's flying around. There it goes. Oh, he's upside down. How did we do that? And the snake. The snake goes big and small. So there you go. There is our spooky forest. So that's the sort of thing that you can do with Scratch Junior. Now, can you see if you can turn your bat all the way around? Now, I put in that middle one 18 times, and it looked to me like it only made the bat go upside down once. So maybe you can have a think about how many times you would put that in to make it go all the way around again. That's great. And the other thing you might like to do with that project is to add in some more characters and make them do a few different things. Maybe you can find a bear or something like that to make it grow really big and really small like the snake. How does that sound? Good one. All right, so the next project we're going to do is to do a race. Let's get a bit of a race against each other, shall we? Now we know, because we are the coders, we know who's going to win, but when you make this game and you share it with your friends and family, they won't know who's going to win. So let's go. It's called the farm race. Okay. So what happens is they go for a race, go, and who's going to win? Oh, it's the rabbit, isn't it? And the pig's going to come last. All right. Well, that's good. So here we go. Here's the project. And we're going to go back and make a new project. Press that plus button. There we go. Now we need to have a background. So we're going to go in and choose a background. There we go. We'll get that farm background, I think. But you can have whatever background you like, really. This is just to give you a bit of an idea of where to start with. So we've got to get rid of our cat again. You can use the cat if you like to, but we're going to put him out there for the time being. All right. Our first character is going to be that pig. There we go, Mr. Pig, in you go. And we're going to move you up to the top there at the start. Fantastic. Now we need that dog. And this dog's name is Scruffy. Hey, Scruffy, how you going? We'll put you there next to the pig. And the third character is going to be that bunny rabbit. There we go. In you go, Mr. Rabbit. All right, we've got everybody at the starting line. Now we need to start to put in our coding. You ready? So let's start with our pig. Now, this time we're going to actually start on the flag because this is a race and we start when the flag goes and everyone starts at the same time. Where is our motion one? Now, they're going to go, this guy's going to go really slow, so he's going to be the first one there. And how many, we've got to go straight across, so we're going to move right. And I think it's about 12. I think that's about enough to go to the end. And then we have to put in our stop block. There we go. All right, Mr. Pig, you're ready to go. Let's do Scruffy. Hey, Scruffy. We'll start on the green flag again. That's right. We have to remember every single one of them has to be coded properly for it to work. You're going to go medium because you're going to come second. We know that. And we're going to put in our move right square and we're going to go 12 as well. And then we have to have our stop block as well. All right, you're done. Mr. Rabbit, let's go. Again, we have to start on the green flag. Now you're going to be the winner, so you have to be the fastest. Let's make you really fast. And we still have to go with the motion and go 12 to get you to the end where everybody else stops, and a stop block as well. All right, there we go. There we coded. Let's give it a go and see if this works. Hello, let's go. Here we go, you ready? Press the flag. Ah, and the rabbit wins and the dog comes second and the pig comes last. Well done. There we go again. Fantastic. We did that, didn't we? That's excellent. You guys are real coders. Well done with that. That's fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that. I had fun making that one too. Now, some of the things that you could do with the farm race is maybe you could look at another project and see what else you could do with the speed blocks. Those speed blocks are pretty fun, aren't they? See if you can choose some other characters to have a race with some new projects. And the other thing you maybe even want to do is, if you don't like that background or any of the other backgrounds, did you know you can actually even make your own? So if you go to the backgrounds and you have a look, so you can make your own background there as well, and that is heaps of fun to do as well. I bet you'll spend lots of time making that. Also, you can make your own characters as well. If you don't like any of the characters, you can design your own ones as well there too. What did you think of that? That was great, wasn't it? All right, get coding. Okay, and I also want to introduce you to our little bee-bot. Have you guys seen a bee-bot before? Isn't this one really cute? You're very cute. Now this is a little programming sequencing robot, and he's got special buttons on him, and we've got a mat that has got instructions on it, and you have to figure out how many squares you're going to go and how you're going to go with that. And that's a really good way to practice computer thinking. That's right, computer thinking. Sequencing is a really good start to coding. So this little guy here, you can borrow this one at the library. All you have to do is ring up, or when you place your reservation, give us a call or email and we'll be able to get it out to you. We've only got one, so hopefully you won't all come at once, but it's only for local people obviously. But you can give it a go, and it's got some of these, and this is exactly what he does. You ready? Here you go. Would you like to have a play with him? I think so too. Well, it's been great coding with you today, and we might do this again sometime, but I really hope you have a go and you download that app and have a go at the coding, because it's heaps of fun. And if you want to write in at library at maribyrnong.vic.gov.au and let me know how you're going. And it'd be great to see you. I'm Christine, and we'll see you again at story time perhaps, or at another program. See you, bye.